Hello.
मधुबाला एंड आरके।
हमारा फर्स्ट फिल्म रहा ग्राहक छोटे सर।
अच्छा, पहला सवाल, कौन सी मधुबाला जो है वो ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, ये ओरिजिनल है?
Obviously, original वाली. Because you know she's the beauty queen. She's the epic of beauty. And of course, Drishti का तो बहुत बाद में जन्म हुआ. And she's famous, very famous. And she's the epic after all. And there's no comparison, you know, क्योंकि she's much more, she's born much more. And she's an epic of our industry.
बट तुमको लगता है कि दैट इसकी शक्ल मधुबाला की शक्ल से मैच करती है? अभी तो देखा नहीं है क्या?
नहीं.
You?
I think it will be very unjust to compare myself with her. I think she was beauty, but very rude that you said no, she doesn't look as pretty. She would rather said it's always nice not to compliment two women at the same time.
नहीं, आई थिंक द नेट रिजल्ट होगी कि शो के अंदर जो है आपकी बैंड बजने वाली है पूरी तरीके से।
सर बैंड बजेगी या कुछ और बजेगी वो तो मुझे पता नहीं है. Let's you know keep our fingers crossed, and we've all been working very hard on the show, including our producer. You know ऐसा बहुत कम होता है जब प्रोड्यूसर एक्चुअली सेट पर बैठकर हर एक सीन में ध्यान देते हैं. Our producer, he's actually sat with us. You know, in fact, मेरा personal experience है, हम outdoor shoot कर रहे थे, and he was actually sitting awake throughout the night to shoot my scene.
Okay, about that same particular scene which you just mentioned, what do you think? What was your experience about that particular scene?
Oh, that was fantastic. You know, it was larger than life, as we say. It was something which I've never done before, or you know, the kind of scale we were shooting on. You know, it was very different and huge. I mean, I have never shot in a location like, you know, the jail in Ramoji Rao City, and I think it was a fabulous experience, and I was actually feeling overwhelmed.
Okay, then in that case, I'll just reveal something that her intro will be much bigger because his jail was a Nakli jail and her train is an actual train.
No, and honestly, we were shooting at 3 in the night, okay, because my intro is at 19, and he was around, and then he's like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna be back, and I was like, yeah, okay, and suddenly I'm walking by my room, and I'm like, I actually see him sitting there at 3:30, and I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, nothing, just sitting. I'm like, I was really shocked that time because, you know, like, usually I would expect him to, like, be home, and at 1:30 in the night, he came to Cinemax to check if everything was going smooth, and I was really touched with that. So, and he's taking a lot of effort. Whereas coming to characters, I think he's staying up till 5 in the morning thinking now ये character के साथ क्या करना चाहिए. So very glad that we're working with you, honestly.
Same here. And I think it's honor and pleasure to work with such a lead. It's a dream cast with which we are making the show. And we just pray to God that on 28th of May when the show hits the screen, it should be the next big thing on Indian film.
Oh, it is.
God's grace, God's grace. We're just keeping our fingers crossed. Thank you so much.
Sorry?
We just love them all.
Yeah, exactly. I think there's lots of expectation from the audience, and I hope they appreciate our work and they make this show a big success.
आई थिंक उनकी नॉर्मल रूटीन में कुछ हट के आधा घंटा मिलेगा उन्हें.
Yes, you will see from 8:30 to 9 p.m. something different, something larger than life, something very different which you've never ever seen on Indian television. That is Madhubala, Hitesh Ekchand from
20th May.
8:30 onwards, Monday to Friday, only on
Colors.
वेल अभी मैं प्रीमियर से बाहर आई हूँ एंड आई एम एक्चुअली स्टिल ट्राइंग टू बिलीव. मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि ये टीवी शो है, क्योंकि इन लोगों ने जिस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट किया है, जिस तरह से विवियन की एंट्री होने वाली है, विच इज़ अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू गाइज, और जिस तरह से दृष्टि लग रही है, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक मुझे तो बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स फैंटास्टिक.
After watching the show, how many times you got goosebumps?
वो एक्चुअली इस शो में इतने सारे पावरफुल एक्टर्स भी हैं, तो मुझे काफ़ी सीन्स में गूज़बम्प्स थे. एंड ऑब्वियसली जब मैंने उसको देखा तो विवियन की जब एंट्री हुई, माई हार्ट वॉज बीटिंग एंड ही इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड और ही इज़ रियली वर्क हार्ड.
Acting wise, how much you will rate Vivian?
Well, I think now he's working very hard, so I would definitely rate him probably 8. I want to tell the audience that please watch Madhubala because it's a very unique concept. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि टीवी पे सेम चीज़ें दिखाते हैं, तो प्लीज़ ये देखिए क्योंकि ये अलग है और इसकी TRPs हाई कीजिए and you all are gonna love it.
Suresh, how did you like the show?
I frankly speaking, not because of Vivian. Obviously, Vivian is one of the reasons, but I loved it. I mean, I've just entered this industry like you can say 8 months back, but this show has raised the level of attention. It is outstanding. The director Ravindra Gautam, I worked with him. The cameraman Sanjitara worked with him as well. The way they've shot it, it is crazy. Especially that Agnipath, the Ganesh Ji sequence, Ganesh Ji ka, it seems Agnipath ka sequence उठा के डाल दिया. It is so good. I couldn't believe my eyes when I was watching that. And overall, hats off to the whole team. The way they've done it, the way they've shown it, crazy. Vivian, Zabir Aichan's audience should just. Obviously, I don't have to say it. I'm sure people are already dying to watch Vivian again on screen. And I'm very sure, like he's gonna rock it, and I'm very proud of him. I'm seriously very proud of him. So yeah, just wait for it, and I'm sure Vivian will rock it. I'm sure you guys will love it.
My character is there for a lesser time because इतने एपिसोड्स में नहीं होंगी मैं, लेकिन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा हूँ कहानी का. तो मेरा और राज का जो साथ में जो हमारी जोड़ी दिखाई है माँ बेटे की, वो कायम रहेगी. और अगर कुछ स्टोरी में इस तरह से कुछ आगे चल के काम निकला तो फिर शायद दोबारा से होगा. अदरवाइज जितना आप लोगों ने देखा वो कुछ हिस्सों में, कुछ एपिसोड्स में बटेगा. एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड नाइस. I have memories of him doing this thing very beautifully and he's loving it and just rewatching it on this nice Hyderabad evening, a very pretty set, lovely. Yeah, we had a great time and I remember enjoying it. So that was a very fond memory. He was having a blast.
I was certainly having a blast. I was doing all the jungly things which I've dreamt of, but obviously never had because I'm like upper middle class. Never had the guts to do any of that. But well, I can do all of this on screen. You, ladies and gentlemen, I'm you're there.
Because of him, I was busy running all over the huge dump and another daughter there and was cheering, dancing all over Hyderabad, all over Bombay, running. It must have been difficult, isn't it? I mean, that dummy, of course, it was really difficult. अगर एक मौका मिले इस तलवार से इन्हें भूल देने का तो छोड़ोगे नहीं. आप दोनों को परेशान किया.
But listen, let us shoot a couple of episodes. फिर मारने दो यार. फिर हम लोग पेपर में देंगे. अरे शो की नाइमा और उसकी बीवी ने ही उसका वो कर दिया.
ऑडियंस को क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? प्लीज वॉच मधुबाला 8:30 PM on Colors, May 28 for now. Please don't miss it. You really excited all three for this show. So how was your experience after watching the premiere? Personally.
definitely very satisfying. I mean,
and there's a sense of gratification that.
You know now he's the rock star. You know now that he's the magic behind Colors Television. You know now he's the bestest.
You know, no, she's my PR agent.
You know now. You know. No, I'm not. It's coming from my heart. Whatever I do, I come from my heart. You know now he's the bestest in the world ever.
See you, bye. Okay. Back to your question of how does it feel? I guess you know how it feels. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, when you actually work for close to 5 months on a show, and from a conceptual stage, you see the baby growing into a story level, and finally when you see it on screen, there definitely is a sense of pride, a sense of satisfaction, and that's exactly what I felt when I saw Madhubala on screen.
And a lot of effort on bringing up this show, then promoting, a lot of PR and stuff. How much is the expectation and
I mean, frankly speaking, had we done, let's say, half of the PR, okay, the expectations still will be very, very high. There's never a limit to how much promotion is enough promotion. You know, there's never a limit to how much expectation is enough of an expectation. All that we know is at Colors, all of us have really put a heart and soul into it. We've really burned the midnight oil and the NHMIs over here. So yeah, we definitely hope the audience really appreciates the efforts and they really like what they get to see now.
And how is it going to thrill the audience? Like Colors is currently on whatever position it is. Do you think it will be on second, first position?
See, it all depends on how the audience reacts to every show on the channel as such. But yes, what I'm really very confident about is that we finally have an FTC in place that is very, very different. We have a bouquet of shows that is actually a very saga also. There's a social thriller also. There is something like a Madhubala also. There is a slice of life also. Plus definitely we have a flagship show that is Balika Badhu and all that. So with this varied emotions that we actually have on screen and all that, I'm sure the audience is going to be far more receptive than what they have been in the last few months.
And why, like, giving a tribute to Indian cinema, bringing up this saga? How did it come?
Why a tribute to Indian cinema? See, what I would actually say is, I've been 12 years in television. Okay? Television is a place that has helped me learn the skills. But cinema is the place that has inspired me to learn those skills. Okay? We've learned so much from the films. I mean, they're part and parcel of our everyday life. We take references of films. They are only connect to India when you travel abroad also. That's the second language that we actually speak. So when we have achieved so much and derived so much from Indian cinema, it's time we actually give back a little to cinema also. It's time the audiences out there get to see the grim and the dirt behind the camera, the pain and the emotions once the lights are switched on. So that's why I tribute to Indian cinema. And let's say a mark of respect and appreciation to all the people out there who are actually part of this fraternity.
And how difficult it was getting two superstars of television. Like Vivian did Pyar Kiye Kahan and Rashti she did Geet, and they are like, they have their own fan following. How difficult or how easy?
It was actually not very difficult, it was very, very easy because at the end of the day, they felt the same amount of passion and excitement that I felt. They wanted to be a part of the show as much as I wanted to make the show. So, and more than stars, as you say, they're very professionals, they're actors who essayed the roles extremely well. There were times when they used to call us and ask us, okay, fine, when are we shooting next? They were so geared up, they were so excited about the entire show. And I guess that shows on screen, the passion, the dedication.
So were they always on in your mind very first, or there was somebody else also?
Frankly speaking, I didn't have anyone in my mind. Because what I believe is, it's very important for the show to decide its cast. Let's not dictate the actors playing. When you start scripting a certain show, the faces fall into place on their own. A face comes in your mind. We had Vivian's face coming into mind for RK and we had Drishti coming into Madhubala. So it was a very easy choice.
And lastly, what do you want to say audience?
Audience ko I would actually say ki tune into Madhubala at 8:30 on Colors, Monday to Friday.